Today, Senator Mike Songko, I am Jeffrey,
And Raylan, hello.
and we heard about you, Senator, from Jomo Lukiza, internationally known as the Sickle Cell Warrior. And because of him, we heard about your generosity and good heart on helping young, talented children to reach their dreams, like Raynan, a very talented kid. Because of Joe, I have researched about you, and it inspires me a lot of what you are doing, and I hope that what you are doing for other children, you can also do for Raynan, because Raynan really needs people like you, Senator Mike Songko, and we wish to meet you someday in person, and we want to meet you really because you are a person with good heart and help a lot of children to reach their goals and dreams in life. And we really hope that you can help Raynan too, because I have a desire to help Raynan, but it's not enough. But people like you, if people like you help Raynan, his dream would become possible, even if sometimes it is impossible. And even if Raynan have a hard time singing English, but because we need to understand each other, we would like to dedicate a song. Raynan would like to dedicate a song for you. Raynan, can you sing for Senator Mike? Okay.
Must have been golden in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. That's your way. You always walk a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory. You were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle, for you are the wind beneath my wings. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle, for you are the wind beneath my wings. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Mike. And lastly, we would like to give you a dance from Tiguanang dance. We will sing Mopia or God is Good. Mopia, Mopia, Mopia ka manama. Mopia, Mopia, Mopia ka manama. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you. We hope to meet you someday. Say thank you.
Thank you.
We love you. I love you.